Challenge 50, week 5, tools 41 to 50. Tool number 41 is the junior hacksaw. The junior hacksaw is used to cut thinner metal bar and rod and can also cut plastic. Tool number 41 is the junior hacksaw. Tool number 42 is the oven. The oven is used to heat metal and plastic. Tool number 42 is the oven. Tool number 43 is the anvil. The anvil is used when forming metal after heat treatment. Tool number 43 is the anvil. Tool number 44 is the bradawl. The bradawl is used to mark centers for holes in wood. Tool number 44 is the bradawl. Tool number 45 is the pop rivet. The pop rivet is used with the pop rivet gun to join metal quickly. Tool number 45 is the pop rivet. Tool number 46 is the bevel-edged chisel. The bevel-edged chisel is used to remove waste material after sawing. Tool 46 is the bevel-edged chisel. Tool number 47 is the center lathe. The center lathe is used to turn metal. Tool number 47 is the center lathe. Tool number 48 are the tongs. The tongs are used for handling hot metal. Tool number 48 are the tongs. Tool number 49 is the dovetail saw. The dovetail saw is used for more accurate sawing in wood, generally for dovetail joints. Tool number 49 is the dovetail saw. And finally, tool 50 is the band saw. The band saw is a large machine saw for cutting wood and plastic. Tool number 50 is the band saw.